A warrant is out tonight for a witness who was a no-show to testify at the trial of Rico Mosley.
Mosley is charged with the murder of 17-year-old Kelsie Crow. A bullet took the Purcell-Marion Honor Roll student's life outside the Melrose YMCA. Local 12's Deb Dixon shows us why the testimony is key to the prosecution's murder case.
The case against Rico Mosley is based on eyewitness testimony. Two of them say they saw Mosley shoot a gun toward Kelsie Crow's car the night she was killed, trying to drive away from the party. The standout soccer player got caught in the crossfire of feuding gangs. One hostile witness said she testified against Mosley after police threatened her. But the other witness is on the run from a subpoena and now a warrant for not showing up to court.
Is Terrence Smith, and we'd actually planned to call him earlier this morning when we started at 10:30. We actually reserved a large portion of the day for him, just like we did for Ms. McCahan yesterday. He has not appeared today. He's been personally served with a subpoena.
The jury heard hours of CSI kind of testimony from the forensic scientist who analyzed trace evidence such as gunshot residue to the criminalist who processed the chaotic crime scene that included 60 shell casings. Cincinnati police officer Kathy Newsom testified about everything from ballistic evidence and blood spatter to DNA, but none of it leads back to Rico Mosley.
So far, there is no link or association with Mr. Mosley in any of the physical evidence found at the scene. I think the state of Ohio is relying heavily on testimony of more than one individual who will claim, and one has already claimed, that they observed Mr. Mosley firing a weapon that killed Kelsie Crow.
Prosecutors on the case would not talk about Terrence Smith, who was supposed to show up yesterday to testify and again today. Deborah Dixon, Local 12 News.
Social media threats aimed at witnesses have the judge's attention. He promises to go after the people responsible.